We are excited to introduce a new solution designed to connect repair shops and technicians with launch experts in real time. Here is the step-by-step process to get connected. 1. Access the service. On your X431 diagnostic tool, open the remote diagnosis software and select SmartLink Super Remote Diagnosis. 2. Log in. You have two options. 1. Click Login. Use your current X431 account for quick access. Other account. Log in using a separately created username and password. 3. Create a job request. After logging in, choose your preferred remote diagnosis provider, expert shop. 4. Enter details pay. Fill in your contact information and the vehicle's details. Submit the request and make the required payment. 5. Connect your hardware. Once a launch expert accepts your job, it's time to connect the vehicle. Plug the SmartLink C device into the vehicle's OBD connector. Connect a network cable from your internet router directly to the SmartLink C VCI. 6. Establish connection. When the SmartLink C detects the network, it will automatically enter remote diagnosis mode. It will read the vehicle's VIN and generate a connection code. 7. Start diagnosis. The SmartLink platform will securely connect your SmartLink C with the expert SmartLink B device. The launch expert will then communicate with you through the platform's chat to begin the diagnosis. Launch experts are now offering high-level remote services, including data recovery, power upgrades, retrofitting, configuration, and many more. Are you curious about what's behind the launch expert? There is a dedicated team using special diagnostic tools to solve the most complex, expert-level jobs. Launch experts are now offering high-level remote services, including data recovery, power upgrades, retrofitting, configuration, and many more. If you're interested in becoming a launch expert, you can also join us to generate more income using the Launch SmartLink system. Please send your inquiry through overseas.service@cnlaunch.com. Thank you for watching. See you soon.